Today's animal is the albatross. Albatrosses are large seabirds with long beaks. They love eating squid, fish and krill. When looking for a mate, albatrosses dance with each other. Their routine includes pointing their beaks and clacking their bills. Here's what they sound like. Do you want to know something cool about albatrosses? Alright. I read on wikipedia.org that albatrosses range over huge areas of ocean and regularly circle the globe. Are you up for another fun fact? I read on kidsearch.com that most albatrosses are found in the southern hemisphere from Antarctica to Australia, South Africa and South America. Hey, would you like to hear an animal sound?